Hi, I'm Kayla with WTI, and if you ask me one of my favorite pieces of clothing would be, it would definitely be a track jacket. And I love this track jacket that I have from Gym Rainbow in the deep green color. This jacket is comfortable, versatile, and super cute. I love everything about it. There are so many unique details that are featured in this track jacket that I have never had on other jackets before. The first thing that I notice is just how soft this material is. It's comfortable and fitted, but also very breathable. The back of the jacket has a really nice mesh flap, which allows it to be extremely breathable when you are using it to work out. I love the finer details of this jacket. It has thumb holes, which I always love in a track jacket, but what's really cool and I've never seen before is it also has this little fold over mitten. So look at that, it can keep your hands warm if you are outside running or just need that little extra warmth. I love that little flap. I just think that's a really cool design. I also love the zippers on this. They're extremely durable and just a little bit larger, so they act as an accent to the jacket too. I do feel like this is true to size. This is the size I typically order and wear, so I have the more fitted look on this jacket. But what I love too is I can wear it casually with a pair of jeans or even a pair of leggings, and it is absolutely adorable. If you're looking for the perfect track jacket to add to your closet, this one right here from Gym Rainbow is it. And that's my point of view.